I have literally just woke up and my alarm didn't go off. I have 5 minutes to get ready and leave. We need to go. When I tell you I've just opened my eyes, I mean it. But I have 5 minutes until I need to leave because I've got so much to do this morning, all before 9 o'clock. Let me quickly get changed and I'll be back. I'm wearing the gym set that Brooke got me, but I cannot believe that I set my alarm for 6:50 p.m. It's the morning. I've done it a few times before, but never when I have so much to do and I'm in a rush to get everything done. I honestly have so much to do, so you guys are gonna have to stay tuned to see. I'm gonna tell you what I have to do throughout the day, but right now I need to leave. I'm actually quite lucky that my body clock kind of wakes me up when I need to. So I wake up at 6:55, but I'm meant to wake up at 6:50 and I need to leave at 7. So I need to leave now. Just filling up my water bottle. I need to get in the car and go. I also don't know if you can tell, but I have a cold. That's why my voice might sound a bit different. I've had it for a few days now and it will not go. It's really annoying me. But anyway, I'm leaving now, so I'll see you in the gym. I'm on the bike. Alex is here. I'm now in Aldi. I literally feel like I'm in Aldi all the time, but I'm at Aldi. I need to pick up some chocolate cream and butter, and I think that's it because I made some cakes last night that now need to be decorated, well, stacked and crumb coated and decorated, but one of the cakes is for someone very special, so you're gonna have to stay tuned and see who it is for. I don't know if I'll be able to show you the final finished cake today, but you have to see who it's for. But I'm going to go in now and get that, and I'll take you guys with me. This is everything I need. It is now 8:25. I've just got my shopping. I now need to go home really quick because I've literally got no time. I have 9 o'clock, I have a college call. So I need to be on that, but before that I obviously need to get home, and I need to make the ganache before I go because it needs to be set, because one of the cakes is for today, this afternoon, like midday, so I need to get that done. So I need to rush home now. It is 8:59. I've literally just made it on time. Everyone see? I'm not lying, that says 9 o'clock. I've just joined the call. So now I'm going to go on the call. I think it's only an hour, but I need to get my college work done. I have to write 2 creative briefs, and I've never done that before. But he said I can use ChatGPT, so I'm going to have a look and see what I can find, because so far what I've got on here is the example. ChatGPT is going to be my new best friend. This is literally so helpful. Until I started going to this college, I never actually used ChatGPT before. My mum has used it before. She showed me a little bit, but I've actually never used it for myself. And I used it so much yesterday as well. It's so helpful, but we're actually allowed to use it, so it's not like I'm cheating. I need to go back and carry on baking. The chocolate ganache turned out really well, actually.
Okay, so what I need everyone to do...
Yeah, as I was saying, the chocolate ganache actually turned out quite well. I was really quite pleased with it because it went really black, and I wasn't sure it actually would because I've not actually done it before, but it actually did. But I also need to have a shower, so I hope I've got half an hour left of this. Then I'm gonna go back and hopefully the chocolate ganache is set, and then I can use it. I've done like half of it, but I need to go now and carry on. It's 10:20, so now I need to carry on doing the baking because otherwise it's not going to be done in time, so let's go. I have 40 minutes to finish this cake before the lady comes, and I've just had to make more chocolate ganache and make it black. So I'm hoping that it's going to be done because I've had to put it in the freezer so it can hurry up and cool quicker. But we're going to have to wait and see. You're going to have to stay tuned to see if I actually get it done before she comes. This is what it's looking like. This is the ganache. Perfect consistency. So now I'm going to second coat of the cake. I can't believe how fast I've actually done that. Look at that. I'm just deciding whether I want to keep like this part of the edge on top or to make it a flat edge. I'm just gonna have a look and see. I'm now using some silver paint to do some splats like this. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I'm just dipping this in here and literally just going like that. You see, guys? To create it like that, to make it look like a paint splatter. I have a few of these from another cake that I did a while ago, so I'm actually going to put them onto the cake. Guys, look at the time. It is 11:58. I've literally just finished it and I'm so happy with how it's turned out. It looks so good. But I've literally finished it just in time. She's going to be coming at 12. Guys, this is how it looks. I've added a 21 topper. I think it looks so good. What do you guys think? Now it's time for me to finally get in the shower. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. I'm out of the shower and yes, I have put my pyjamas on, but they're not going to be on for that long. It's just while I'm going to get myself ready. My hair is a bit knotty, so I need to do hair oil and leave-in conditioner and all that. And then I'm also going to do some moisturiser and my lash serum. I've just made myself a tuna wrap and I need to leave again in half an hour to go and get my nails done. Like, I haven't even told you what I'm doing. Get my nails done. So that is the next thing. But I'm going to I'm going to finish this and then I'm going to make some buttercream before I go, but I also need to get changed. I don't understand how I'm always late for everything. I don't get it. I finished the buttercream, but I was meant to leave 2 minutes ago. Now I can't even find any socks. Right, no one tell Dad I've taken some of his new socks. But I need to leave right now to be on time for my nails. I am 1 minute late. That is not bad, to be fair. But I'm going to go now. This is what they look like before. And you'll see the after. They'll probably be very similar, I'm not going to lie. I am back. Here is what they look like. I've got chromes. They're basically the same, but they've got chrome. And then the K, as always. But I didn't really film that much because Lexi came in. She was getting hers done after me and we was all just laughing and chatting. But I'm going to go home now because I haven't even told you guys what I'm also doing tonight. So, Kai's coming over and we're going to be making the dinner for everyone. We're going to make steak fajita pasta. So when he comes over we need to go out and buy all the ingredients and then we're going to make it together for everyone. And I'm very excited to do that because I haven't made dinner in ages. Right, we are about to leave to go and get all the food for dinner, so come with us. Second trip to Aldi in one day. Try one in the vlog.
You're getting your dogs in the vlog. How many people do you think have put that thing?
We are nearly done, but the boys are messing around really bad. So we've left them to find the salsa. Hopefully they can find it. I'm just looking if it's here. It's not. We need some bread for the garlic bread. We've got some garlic bread, but we're just trying to find a dessert. We kind of want crumble, apple crumble, if they have it. We've got everything. Let's go and pay. This is the final look of the cake, guys, and because I haven't already told you, it is for Sophia's baby shower for her little girl. Let me show you it now. What do you guys think of the cake? The cute little bow. Well, it's actually a big bow with all the pink and glitter. It's the new phone. I know, isn't it?